Hello friends, welcome to Consistent Trader. This is the part 2 of basics in stock market. So in this video, we are going to learn the basics of stock market. In that, I will be teaching you what are the ways to analyze a market trend and what is meant by a candlestick and what are the types in it. So let's get into the video. Before that, if you are new, subscribe our channel, share our videos to your friends. As we said, we are going to post a series of videos starting from basics to expert level in stock market. So stay connected. Let's get into the video. So what are the types of market? So first, what is a trend analysis? Trend is nothing but it's a direction in which the stock moves. If the stock is moving in the upward direction or the downward direction, that is called as a trend. It's an upward trend or downward trend. Likewise, what is trend analysis is nothing but it's a technique which is used to predict the future price of the stock based on its past observed data. There are three types of trends based on the time. One is short term trend, second one is intermediate term, third one is long term. So short term is nothing but maybe for a day or two or a week, that is a short term trend. So intermediate is nothing but the trend of the stock for about month or two, and long term is more than 2 or 3 months. So what are the types of trend? There are two types of trend. One is uptrend and another one is downtrend. So hereafter you should not use the word up down. If the stock is moving upwards, you have to say that the stock is in a bullish trend. If the stock is moving downwards, then you have to say the stock is in a bearish trend. Bullish means uptrend and bearish means downtrend. So what are the types of trends in markets? One is a trending market. Trending market is nothing but the stocks moves either bullish or bearish. It will move only on one direction. If the stock is moving in the upward direction or the stock is moving in the downward direction, then it is known as trending market. Second one is sideways or choppy market. This is nothing but when the market does not give a significant up or down trend, stock stays in a specific zone for a period of time, then it is called a sideways market. So the third one is a volatile market. Volatile market is nothing but the market that the stock moves violently in both the directions. That is called as a volatile market. So this is the example of an uptrend. Here you can see the price get increases over a period of time. So the stock is tend to be in uptrend. It makes higher high and higher lows. That is nothing but this low is greater than this low. This high is greater than this high. Similarly, this low is greater than this low and this high is greater than this high. This is sideways market. You can clearly see that the stock doesn't move up or down. It travels in a specific zone. This is called as sideways or a choppy market. So now let us get into chart analysis. So what are charts? Charts are used to get information regarding the stocks. There are three types of charts. One is line chart, another one is bar chart, and the third one is a candlestick chart. Most of the people prefer candlestick chart. I'll explain why in the coming slides. First one is a line chart. So line chart is nothing but it's a simple chart. It's based only on the closing price of the stocks. If we connect the closing prices of specific time frame, then we will get a line chart. We are not going to use this because this does not provide any information other than the closing price. Second one is bar chart. Bar chart is similar to that of a line chart, but it has the high price, low, open and close prices of the stock. Third one is the candlestick chart. This is the most important one, and we are going to use candlesticks for our trading setups. So why we use a candlestick? We use a candlestick because it showcases high, low, open, close, etc. This will give us a precise data regarding the stocks. So mostly we are going to use only candlestick charts. Things to be known before reading a candlestick chart. Before you start reading a candlestick, listen carefully. This is very important. First, we need to know what is the opening, close, high and low of a candle. So, bullish candle will always be a green candle and bearish candle is always a red candle. In a bullish candle, that is the price opens at the bottom and it keeps on increases and closes at the top. This is called as a bullish candle. Whereas in a bearish candle, the price opens at the top and it keep on decreasing and closes at the bottom. This is called as a bearish candle. So in a bullish candle, the price opens here. This wick, this is called as a wick or a shadow. Let us assume that at 9 a.m. the price opens at this point and the stock price moves lower and reaches till this point and starts picking up, reaches a highest point at here and then closes at here. So this is open, this is close. The lowest point of this line is called as a low and the highest point of this line is called as a high. In a bearish candle, the stock opens at a higher price and closes at the lowest price. So this is the open, this is the close, this is the high, this highest is the high and the lowest point is the low. So this is how you need to read a chart. So there is another candlestick which is called as a doji. In doji, the open will almost be equal to close. What does this symbolizes? This is nothing but there is a huge war between the buyers and sellers. Both the buyers try to make the price go high and the sellers try to make the price go low. Both of them failed. The doji candle is formed. Some traders believe that when doji is an uptrend, it symbolizes there might be a change in the trend. So the trend might change to a downtrend. Similarly, if a doji forms in a downtrend, the trend might change to an uptrend. So thank you guys. These are some of the very basic things you need to know before analyzing the charts. I hope you have all understand. If you have any doubts regarding this, please leave a comment. We will explain you there. And if you are new here, subscribe to our channel, like our videos and share it to your friends. Thank you. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye.